One thing about men, they will put you through the most. Men will put you through the most, guys. Welcome to my channel. Please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Guys, this is Dr. Nandipha Magudumane. Tell me, why does she look so old and so tired? Guys, this is so not on. Like, it's really not on. Dr. Nandipha Magudumane, guys, she looks like she hasn't been eating for days. Even the makeup is not makeuping this time. She looks so sad. Guys, I'm a daughter. They are not good people. They are not nice people at all. Imagine leaving your children, going to jail for someone who isn't. I don't even think this Thabo Bester loves her. I don't think Thabo Bester uyamthanda Shem Ugel, because why would you put me through so much if you love me? This girl used to be a fine girl, guys. Just check out this picture. She used to be so cute. She had everything. She was a doctor. She was not poor. We can't say no, it's poverty. That's why she went on and became isgebeng and stuff. Girl was not poor. Girl was doing well. She was cute. She was married. She had kids. Hi guys, I can't get off la. I am really starting to suspect ukuthi konke shayamanzi. Make it make sense. Why would you go and waste your life like that while you had everything? It can be just love. And then on the other hand, Thabo Bester naye was in court. These are their recent pictures, ne? These are their recent pictures. Please compare between Thabo Bester and Nandipha Magudumane. Look at Thabo Bester, guys. He looks clean, he looks shaved, he looks handsome. Alright, and he looks like he has been eating, And then on the other hand, Nandipha looks like she has been abused in jail. Looks like she is going through the most. Shame. I know Thabo Bester didn't force her to join Lento Yaboyogewing, but Sana, I feel for her now. I really feel for her. Shame. It's enough now. But guess Anna, they also need to pay for what they did, They also need to pay. So feeling sorry for her is just not gonna cut it. They need to pay.